Arch volcanism is something that's very poorly understood. The only example of it to date is down off of the main Hawaiian Islands. I'm Chris Kelley. I'm with the University of Hawaii Department of Oceanography, and I'm going to be serving as the lead scientist for the Papahānaumokuākea Marine National Monument cruise in September. What we're interested in looking at on this particular cruise is an area where there are some seamounts that are sitting on a part of the Hawaiian Arch much further along the archipelago up in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands that have never been explored. And these are discrete seamounts. As one of the hotspot volcanoes is forming, it's actually creating weight and pressure on the seafloor, the lithosphere. And as it's doing that, it's pressing the seafloor down and creating sort of a dimple in the seafloor. After you get out of that dimple, you get a bit of a ridge forming before the seafloor settles back down to its normal flat plane. And that ridge that's on the outside of the dimple is called an arch, and around Hawaii we refer to them as the Hawaiian Arch. There's one example that's known to date of volcanism that has taken place on that arch. It's called the North Arch lava field or volcanic field. In this area, the lava just kind of oozed out and spread out over a very large area and kind of a big sort of lava lake on the seafloor. You can find so much life in specific areas that it's astonishing. Huge communities of all different types of animals. So they're absolutely spectacular. The monument needs to know that these communities exist within its boundaries, and that's one of our missions here, is to try to determine if some of these communities exist in this newly expanded area. Arch volcanism is not known to actually create discrete volcanoes or seamounts, but there is no other explanation for why these seamounts exist here. And so if we can prove that they are a result of this arch forming because of the weight of a nearby island, in this case Gardner Pinnacles, it's going to be brand new. And people did not know that arch volcanism could actually create volcanoes. And so if we find that, we're doing really well. We're going to make a new contribution to science.